Stock exchange you know, but have you heard about social stock exchange? The concept of stock exchange is simple, where investors and fund seekers, these are the companies, these are meeting. The example is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE, National Stock Exchange, a company which is looking to raise funds. Today I read the news of Ola Electric raising funds by IPO. Shares will be made available. You can buy, anyone can buy, and after that it will be listed on this stock exchange. Anybody can buy or sell. But what is social stock exchange and what is the value of it? Is this a concept or that is allowed in India already? The beauty of this stock exchange is the transparency and the rigor. In Union Budget 20, government proposed to initiate steps towards social stock exchange under the regulatory ambit of the SEBI for listing social enterprises and voluntary organizations. So if an NGO or a non-profit organization, NPO, wants to raise money, this SSE is expected to stimulate this ecosystem. So this is providing a platform where you, me, any HNI can invest in the instrument which are made available by these NPO or NGOs, and these instruments are normally called zero coupon or zero principal instrument, as the nature of the funding is akin to donation. But this is very transparent donation, and moreover you won't be able to know otherwise, say in all India, which organization from where it is raising fund, where is this information in the public domain. So it does not promise any payment of the coupon or the return of the principal amount invested. There is of course tax exemption under section 80G of the Income Tax Act. Remember this term also, zero coupon, zero principal. That can be an exam question. So there are some guidelines by SEBI that these NPO have to declare their last 3 years milestone and activities for what they are raising money, their audit report, social audit report. The interesting part is already 12 crore rupees has been raised here. More will come. NSE and BSE both have obtained SEBI's in principle approval for setting up a separate social stock exchange. This is another advantage where financial markets are helping in the development, contributing not only for the profit sector but also for the non-profit sector. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. We are here to make your job preparation 50% faster.